Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 3 animals. In last class we have studied about endangered species. Now let us see the next topic, conservation of animals. Biodiversity is the term used to describe different plants, animals, microorganisms and insects that are found on the earth. Conservation of biodiversity helps us to protect, maintain and recover the endangered animals and plant species. Conservation is the protection, preservation, management of wildlife and natural resources. Conservation is the protection, preservation, management of wildlife and natural resources. Endangered species are maintained in certain protected areas such as national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. In India, there are 73 national parks and 416 wildlife sanctuaries. Let us brief about the national parks. Some other national parks in India: Jim Corbett National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Gaha National Park, Periyar National Park, Gindi National Park. In this video, you will learn about Jim Corbett National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Kaziranga National Park. National Park is an area which is strictly reserved for the betterment of the wildlife. In these areas, activities like forestry, grazing or cultivation are not permitted. Even private ownership rights are not allowed in these areas. The national parks cover an area of 100 to 500 square kilometers. The first one, Jim Corbett National Park. It is located close to Nainital in Uttarakhand. Tigers are found in this park. Other animals found here: several species of deer, leopards, jackals, red foxes, black bear, sloth bear and monkeys. Next, Gir Forest National Park. It is located in Gujarat. Gir Forest National Park. It is located in Gujarat. Gir National Park is a wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat. It is established to protect Asiatic lions. Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, also known as Sasan National Park. This park located near Talala Gir, Gujarat State, India. The Gir ecosystem protected with the flora and fauna of Gir with the help of government's forest department, wildlife activists and NGOs. The park established in 1965. If you are planning to visit Gir National Park, then read this article. Here we have told everything very well about the trip to Gir National Park. Gir National Park is also a wildlife sanctuary found in the state of Gujarat in India. It covers of about 1412 square kilometer. It was established in 1965. It is run by the Forest Department of Gujarat. There are about 60,000 visitors going to the park every year. Asiatic lions in their natural habitat can be seen here. Other animals that are found here include sambar, chinkara, sital, porcupine, wild boar, black buck. Next, Kaziranga National Park. Wild animals such as rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, wild buffalo, and swamp deer are seen in this park. This park also has bears, leopards, and several species of local and migratory birds. Rhinoceros, tigers, elephants, wild buffaloes, swamp deer. This park is famous for one-horned rhino. Do you know, children, UNESCO? It's a full form of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization has declared Kaziranga National Park as a World Heritage Site. Once again, UNESCO has declared Kaziranga National Park as a World Heritage Site. Okay students, today's class. Jim Corbett National Park is located in Nainital in Uttarakhand. Gir Forest National Park is located in Gujarat. Kaziranga National Park is famous for one-horned rhino. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.